Welcome to ClearTask. Today we will show you how to easily cancel a Plix order in 2026. The process is quick, but timing is absolutely critical. You can only cancel an order automatically if it is still marked as unshipped. Once your package moves into the dispatch phase, the automated option disappears. To get started, log into your Plix account. Navigate directly to your account dashboard and select My Orders. Find the specific order you want to cancel and open its details. As long as the order has not shipped, you will see a Cancel Order button. Click it, select your reason for canceling, and confirm. You will receive an instant confirmation, and your refund will be processed within 5 to 7 working days. If you do not see the Cancel Order button, it means your order is already being processed. In this case, you must contact Plix customer support immediately to request a manual cancellation before the item leaves the warehouse. The system works on urgency, so reach out as fast as possible. Canceling your Plix order is completely free, and there is no paywall or subscription required to use their cancellation or support features. If this quick guide helped you, please leave a like and subscribe to ClearTask for more simple, direct tutorials. Thanks for watching.